Short Read 1. Remember to annotate as you read. The Oregon Trail. May 17th, 1849. Dear Diary, we've been on the Oregon Trail for 2 weeks. I'm exhausted. Papa and I walk while Mama and the baby ride. Papa says it's because our weight would be too much for the mules. Yours truly, Edith. June 29th, 1849. Dear Diary, rain, rain, and more rain. Now the trail is more like soup. Today our wagon got stuck in the mud. As a result, a wheel broke. It was another setback. Yours truly, Edith. July 14th, 1849. Dear Diary, sunrise brought a magnificent sight. A herd of buffalo grazing on the plain. Our provisions have been getting low, so we stopped at an Indian village. We traded some iron pans for other supplies. Yours truly, Edith. August 1st, 1849. Dear Diary, we have arrived at Soda Springs. The water has bubbles in it like soda water. We are going to stay here for an extra day because we need the rest. We can bathe in the hot springs, and Mama says the water is great for making bread. Yours truly,